Hi, my name's Josiah, and today I've teamed up with Lick to share with you some advice on choosing the right type of music to fit your content. This is something that all creators struggle with, myself included, but it's really important to understand thoroughly because your choice of music can make or break your video. The first decision you'll be faced with is what genre of music to use. And the number one rule here is that you should choose a genre that supports your style of content rather than distracting from it. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, before choosing a genre, take a moment to analyze what type of content you create, and more specifically, what type of mood you want your audience to be in when watching it. Do you want them to be pumped up and excited for, say, a new product release, or do you want them to be more calm and relaxed for, say, a Photoshop time-lapse? Choosing the right genre of music will really help when creating that mood. And if you're unsure of what genre will create those types of moods, take a look at other creators' content similar to yours to see what type of music they use. The next major decision you'll have to make about your music is whether it's going to be instrumental or have lyrics. Check out how much better this pizza B-roll comes across when paired with a relevant soundtrack to set the mood.
I never thought I'd miss you half as much as I do.
However, it is very important to use instrumentals underneath any part of your video that has dialogue. Having a track with lyrics underneath your own voice will be very distracting. So in circumstances where you're speaking, make sure to always use an instrumental song. And if you're having a problem finding good instrumental tracks, Licked offers an amazing solution to this. If you didn't already know, Licked is an online service which allows you to license chart music to use in your videos. This means you can use music from real artists, so none of the songs will sound like they came from some generic stock audio library. And the best part is a lot of artists have provided Licked with both their original and an instrumental version of all their songs. So if you found an awesome song you want to use underneath dialogue but it has lyrics, you can just search for the instrumental version of that track on Licked and use that instead. So be sure to follow the link in the video description and get your first song from Licked at a discounted rate. The final advice I have to give you is make sure you are consistent with your music choices. Now, this does not mean use the exact same songs in every single video. Instead, as you pick out your music, make sure you're always choosing high quality songs that your audience will resonate with. This will keep your viewers engaged with your content and ensure they always come back for more. Consistency is something that every creative should strive for, and your choice of music can be a great tool in accomplishing that. While I hope the advice I gave today helped you in fighting the ongoing battle of choosing the right music, be sure to subscribe to Lick Tutorials if you want to see more content like this in the future. They have a new tutorial coming out every single Monday, and be sure to follow that link in the video description to Lick's website and get your first song at a discounted rate. I'm Josiah, thanks for watching.